Today we're making yard of pizza. Come on in, welcome to my home. This is such an easy recipe. In fact, it's sort of not a recipe, but it is a recipe. But we're using lots of things that we've made before. I'm using my French bread. I'm using my pasta sauce. All of which you can see how I've made them. You can click that eye in the sky for the French bread. Also, there's a link down in the description, or you can click the eye in the sky for the pasta sauce up there, or there's a link also down in the description. But this is so easy, and the amounts are up to you. Alright, simply we start off with 1 pound of ground beef, which has then been browned and drained of grease. You don't have to use this. You can use ground whatever, or you can leave the meat out, or you can use a meat substitute. Then we take our pasta sauce. This is about 1.5 cups. Put that in there. I'm going to take this to the stove and heat it up until it is, nice and warm. Once our meat mixture is heated, I like to brush my bread with just a little bit of butter. You can use garlic butter, you can use regular butter. This is not a step you have to do, and I'll let you in on another little secret. Mom and I don't always eat this all at once, so when I make this, I do make it so that there's enough for a couple days. Now I'm just going to place a little bit onto our bread. Then I like to top this with cheese. Now you can use whatever cheese you want. I personally like Swiss cheese for this. Top it with as much or as little cheese as you like. Then I'm going to place these into the oven and bake, well, I'm actually going to only place one. I'm going to place the one into the oven and bake it for about 20 to 25 minutes. The other one I'm going to freeze so that way I can wrap it and then use it at a later date. Okay, so it's been a little bit less than 20 to 25 minutes, simply because it's earlier than I thought it would be. It is only 3:30 and we're going to eat tonight at 5, so I didn't want this to cook up and get really too crisp. But I'm going to go ahead and cut off a little piece. As you can see, it's pretty crisp right now. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and give this a taste. That's really good. Like I said, I didn't want this to get too crisp, but it is a nice crispy bread pizza. This was so easy to make and so good and so delicious. If you make this, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at CM Coleman Home, and I hope I get to see you again next time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time.